Greetings, I'm Michael DeSanto and the host of this edition of Champion Chats, where we dive into proven success stories from around the fluid analysis industry.
We have quarterly program reviews with Polaris, and we go over component compliance, frequency compliance, sample severity, shipping times, fluid analysis scores, observations, and recommendations to improve our fluid analysis program.
And from there, it's just following the procedures that we have set up for the oil analysis. So take the samples, submit it with the Horizon app, make sure you get the samples to the warehouse ships it off every other day to the lab. We review the reports that we receive in our portals,